this is Sanghavi doing third year in E&I department at RMD Engineering College.
Hi, this is Tarni doing Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering third year in RMD Engineering College.
Hi everyone, I'm Kalpana doing second year in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering from RMD Engineering College.
Hi, this is Monica doing second year in E&I department at RMD Engineering College.
Hi, I am Prince Kelvin, second year E&I at RMD Engineering.
Hi, I am Dhanush doing second year in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering at RMD Engineering. The main objective of our project is to detect the waste and segregate it, to provide eco-friendly environment in order to avoid landfill problems such as soil erosion, global warming, etc. To motivate people who segregates the waste by giving them gift vouchers. Incinerating the waste in order to destroy it and to generate electricity by means of incineration. Let me explain the use case diagram. Solid waste are disposed by users in various ways such as home, schools, office. These wastes are put into the conveyor with sensors. The wastes are detected and segregated as plastic, metal and other wastes using sensors and DC guns. Plastic and metal waste can be reused or recycled. The other waste are incinerated. Due to incineration, using Peltier effect, power is generated and used to multiple uses. In this slide, you can see the prototype model of the conveyor belt arrangement along with the sensors. ThinkView app and ThinkSpeak website can be used to measure the level of the bins. As I am segregating the waste, my photo will be shared via Telegram in order to present me some gift vouchers as appreciation. This is the working model of the incinerating vehicle which generates electricity. This vehicle can be In order to develop the project based on the knowledge obtained in Internet of Things, I can share the location of the filled bin using GPS. To identify various other means of electricity generation from the waste disposed. To implement pollution control strategy when disposing the waste. To motivate the people for segregating the waste in a cost-effective manner. This project helps in the accomplishment of Swachh Bharat.
These are the two DC motors which is going to drive this conveyor belt, and let me explain you about the sensors used in this project. Here we are having a conductivity sensor, and this sensor is going to sense the wet waste. And next we are having an inductive proximity sensor which is going to sense the metal. Whenever the metal is detected, that will be ejected out using this DC gun. Next, we are going to have photoelectric sensor which is going to sense the wastes other than this wet waste and this metal. And the other wastes will be ejected by this DC gun. Here we are having a motor driver L298, and it has an internal voltage regulator which is going to provide 5 volt, and that 5 volt will be supplied to this Arduino, sensors, and also to buzzer, LCD and so on. And here we are having another motor driver L293, and this motor driver is going to actuate the DC gun because the DC guns need 9 volt. And also we are having 3 ultrasonic sensors, one, and here we are having another one, here we are having another one. These 3 ultrasonic sensors is going to sense the level of the bin. The status of the bin will be shown over the LCD. And also this LCD will be displaying what waste is segregated or what waste is detected. Here I am starting the conveyor belt and it is going to run. Now if the metal is placed here, this inductive sensor is going to sense the metal, and now the DC gun is going to be ejected out. And we can see the metal detector. The photoelectric sensor is going to sense this plastic, and whenever it comes here, this gun is ejected out. The ultrasonic sensor will sense the level of the bins, and when the bin level is full, it will be displayed on the LCD. If the waste is incinerated here, incineration is nothing but burning up in high temperature. It is incinerated over here, and here we are having a cold bath. In between this, TEG module is used. Here you can able to see a white color thing. This is a thermoelectric generator module. Because of the heat generated here, whenever the heat is transmitted from this hot side to the cold side, the semiconductor, inside the semiconductor, the majority charge carriers will be moving here and there. Because of that movement, potential difference is created. Hence, the voltage will be generated. And that generated voltage is boosted up by the boost converter, and after boosting the voltage, and it will be stored in this lead acid rechargeable battery.